think about, why do you want this? That's what we'd like to hear from you. Why do you want this? Why do you want this job of your dreams? You already identified what the job of your dreams is. Step 1 is done. So now, step 3 is what you got to do. All you have to do is be in the receptive mode, and the job of your dreams will come into your experience. The universe has already lined up the perfect job. Do you feel like you should get what you want? Try to find a good feeling place. Reach for a thought that feels better. When you're satisfied with where you are, with an eagerness for change and for more, that really is a non-resistant place to be. The reason most people don't do that is because they really don't believe the laws of the universe. The universe knows what you're asking for. You could use any excuse in the world to feel like your inner being feels. Finding a positive emotion is about opening the doors or finding the PIN number to all kinds of things that you want. Finding any reason about your job or any other subject that causes you to be a cooperative component with your inner being. Everyone is selfishly oriented. You have to just accept that. You have to embrace it. You have to adore that. But you have to be selfish enough to get what you want too. You're letting someone else that doesn't understand how to feel who you really are in relationship to what you really want. This is the thing that we're saying to all of you all of the time. You're looking for love in all the wrong places. You're looking for accreditation in all the wrong places. You're looking for it from other humans who cannot give it to you. Go to your source and your source will give it to you. You're looking for confidence. You're looking for clarity. You're looking for stamina. You're looking for vitality. You're looking for genius. You're looking for information. You're not going to find it there with them. They're moving paper clips around. That's their job. Do you feel like you should get what you want? If you were really well matched to your work, it would be pleasurable. What are you doing? Are you still looking for a job? No, I already found it. My job has been found. It's all lined up for me. I'm letting it come to me. I'm not chasing it. Everything you ever chase runs away from you. I'm letting it come. Yeah, I already did all the work. It's all lined up for me. Chilling, being a cooperative component. I'm not thinking about it so hard that I don't cooperate. Now I'm letting it come to me because it's attraction, 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 attraction. I believe the process. I understand how it works. And I'm enjoying every bit of the unfolding of this, you see. You won't get a job you almost like. You won't get something that is sort of kind of good. You won't get something that's just a little better than what you've got. You'll get something that has all of the pieces in it that you've been asking for even before you were putting it into words. You'll be surrounded by cooperative others. You'll be with a group of people that are wanting to uplift one another. You will be with others who are creative in nature. You will be in rooms where cooperative components will come up with ideas and you'll feel the synergy of that group. You all are asking and receiving and asking and receiving, and the dance you do together is so satisfying. And the success of what you're doing will be such that the dollars will flow in such a way that everyone will have meaningful work from it. But everyone will be cashing in from their ATM, whatever they want, whenever they want it, with unlimited resources flowing in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out, you see. This is what life is supposed to be for you.